Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Akila Nisrina Nurangraini. Today I will present a research article entitled The FOMO Paradox: Why Gen Z is Well Connected but Spiritually Disconnected. That's written by Ilma Ainun Nazila and Siti Nuramadania that published in 2026. In this presentation, I will explain the introduction, research objectives, methodology, results, discussion, conclusion, and my personal reflections. Okay, this study discusses the phenomenon of fear of missing out or FOMO among Generation Z nowadays. Gen Z lives in a highly connected digital environment where social media plays a major role in daily life. Although social media increases interaction, it also creates FOMO, which can lead to anxiety, depression, and emotional dissatisfaction. Therefore, this issue is important because mental health problems are increasing in the digital era. However, previous studies mainly focus on mental health, and there is still limited research that explores the relationship between FOMO, spirituality, and meaning in life. Okay, this study has three main research questions. The first is, how does FOMO affect the mental health of Generation Z? And the second one is, how is FOMO related to anxiety and depression? And the third is, how does FOMO influence spirituality and the search for meaning in life? And the objectives of this study are to examine the relationship between FOMO and mental health, explore its impact on anxiety and depression, and understand how Gen Z seeks spiritual fulfillment in the digital era. In this study, used a qualitative research design with a phenomenological approach. The purpose of this approach is to understand the participants' lived experiences. The participants are Generation Z individuals that age 18 to 25 years old who are active social media users. And the sampling technique used is purposive sampling. The data were collected through in-depth semi-structured interviews. Then the data were analyzed using interpretative phenomenological analysis or IPA. Then, the results show that FOMO leads to frequent and compulsive social media use. Participants feel a constant need to stay updated, which creates anxiety and pressure. FOMO also causes social comparison, making individuals feel inadequate and lowering their self worth. From a spiritual perspective, participants experience inner emptiness and reduced engagement in traditional religious practices. Instead, they seek alternative forms of spirituality such as mindfulness, meditation, and nature-based activities. Based on the findings, FOMO negatively affects mental health by creating emotional pressure and fear of being left behind. It is also strongly related to anxiety and depression, especially through social comparison. Furthermore, FOMO influences spirituality as individuals shift from traditional religious practices to more personal and flexible forms of spirituality. This shows that digital life not only affects mental health but also changes how individuals find meaning in life. In conclusion, FOMO has a negative impact on mental health, including increased anxiety, depression, and emotional dissatisfaction. Social media use also creates psychological pressure through social comparison. In addition, Generation Z experiences spiritual emptiness and shifts toward more personal forms of spirituality. Therefore, it is important to maintain a balance between digital life and psychological and spiritual well being. And the last, in my opinion, this study is very relevant to the current digital lifestyle of Generation Z. I find it interesting because it not only discusses mental health but also explores spirituality, which is rarely studied in this topic. However, the study has some limitations, such as limits participant and lack of generalization. Overall, this research helps us to understand the deeper impact of social media on both mental and spiritual aspects of life. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. I'm so sorry for all my mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.